uh, let's run this application, that is nodejs application, by typing nodemon index.js in terminal. So server is running on port 3000 at localhost. So we will try to access this image now. So let's copy the file name, sorry, so let's copy this, and we have to go to browser, and this is localhost 3000, images is the folder, and now paste the file name. So it's saying cannot get this file. So to make it accessible publicly, what we have to do, we have to modify some code. We have to import constant path, and we have to write app.use, sorry, app.use so we have to write this two line of code to make this images folder publicly accessible. So app.use is the middleware which will allow to make the images folder, this folder, accessible through this path. So what we have to do, what we did, that we just use the express static method, and is the inside we just join two paths. The path that join, we join two paths, directory, current directory, and the images folder, and it is now a static, and through this line of code, and then it will be accessible through the images path. So this images path on the browser URL refer to this images folder. If we change something, first let's access by images. Let's try this again, and you can see the images folder is accessible. And now let's modify by do we change images to public, and now let's try this again. You can see it's not accessible because the path is not matched. So what you have to do, we have to modify this images, and we have to put public here, so it is accessible now. So this public represent this images folder. So this how we can achieve the this features and make the images publicly accessible. Thank you.